Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off password expiry on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait for your Windows 11 computer to fully load. Make sure everything is ready before moving forward with the tutorial. Once your PC has completely booted up, navigate to the Windows Start menu located on your taskbar and click on it. This will open your Start menu where you can access various system tools and settings. From here, type in Run in the search bar and press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Run dialog box, which is a quick way to access different system utilities without navigating through multiple menus. In the Run dialog box, type in lusrmgr.msc and press Enter. This command opens the Local Users and Groups configuration window, which is where you can manage all user accounts on your Windows computer. This tool gives you deeper control over account settings that aren't available in the regular Settings app. Once the Local Users and Groups window opens, look at the left side panel. You'll see a folder labeled Users. Go ahead and click on it. This will display a complete list of all user accounts registered on your Windows system, including both active and inactive accounts. From this list, locate the specific account for which you want to disable password expiry. Once you've found it, double-click on that account. This action will open the User Properties window where you can modify various settings related to that particular account. In the User Properties window, look at the options below. You'll see several checkboxes that control different account behaviors. Find the checkbox next to Password Never Expires and click on it to enable this option. By turning this on, you're ensuring that the password for this account will never expire, meaning the user won't be forced to change their password after a certain period.
Finally, click on Apply to save your changes.
Your settings will now be updated and the password expiry for that account has been successfully turned off. And that's it, you've successfully disabled password expiry for your Windows 11 account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.